hey, when it comes to national flags, purple is like the kid who never gets picked for the team. Only four countries chose it: El Salvador, Spain, Nicaragua, and Dominica. Poor purple. Back in the day, purple was like the VIP section of colors. No kingdom, civilization, or empire wanted to have anything to do with it. So, what's the deal with purple? It's all the rage now, right? Well, turns out purple was the diva of colors because it was crazy expensive. Picture this: up until the 1800s, purple was more valuable than gold. Yeah, you heard it right. Gold. Queens and kings would probably trade their crowns for a gram of that stuff. Even Queen Elizabeth I was like, only my crew and my family can rock the purple threads. Why was purple so fancy? Blame it on the dye. The original purple magic came from a small sea snail in the Mediterranean near a place called Tyre, now in Lebanon. You needed a small army of snails, like 10,000 to be exact, to whip up just 1 gram of that precious Tyrian purple. Because only the high and mighty could afford the snail induced luxury, purple became the go to color for the elite in Rome, Egypt, and Persia. It wasn't just a color, it was a status symbol. They probably thought wearing purple made them gods or something. Fast forward to the 3rd century, and even Empire Aurelian, a big shot, said, hold up, we can't be splurging on purple silk. It's worth 3 times its weight in gold. That's a serious fashion statement, my friends. But fear not, in 1856, a cheeky 18-year-old English dude named William Henry Perkin accidentally stumbled upon a synthetic purple compound while trying to make anti-malarial medicine. Instead of curing diseases, he ended up creating a dye that made him filthy rich. Thanks to Willie's happy accident, purple became the people's color, no longer just the high and mighty. Everyone could afford it. The elite stopped caring about purple, and it became as common as your grandma's secret casserole recipe. Now, since 1900, a few brave countries have dared to defy tradition and tossed a bit of the purple in their flags. Don't go betting your lunch money on whether more will join the party purple, but hey, life is full of surprises. So there you have it, the rise and fall of purple, the once exclusive color turned everyday hero. If you enjoyed this little trip down history lane, hit that subscribe button for more mind blowing stories. Stay curious, my friends. Bye.